Hey guys. Okay, so we've already talked about creating dot plots and reading dot plots and frequency tables. So let's go on down here to creating histograms and try a few questions and see if I can answer any questions that you may have. So I'm just going to go to the student view so I can see some questions that you guys would have. Okay, great. It says the following data points represent the number of guests at Hunter's Ribeye Barbecue House each day since they opened. So this is the data, okay? And using the data, we're going to create a histogram. So they've already started down here with where the bars are going to go. And so we can see that we want to make intervals between 0 and 100, 100 and 200, and 200 and 300. And we can raise these up and down to make our histograms. So for instance, if that was our answer. So that's how we work the applet here. So now we're going to have to make a little chart. Can we make a chart using this guy here? Awesome. All right, so let's make us a chart for the intervals. So 0 to 100, you know my handwriting is terrible with a mouse. So let's see how many of these are 0 to 100. 96, right? So that's 1. So we're making a frequency table here. This is how we use our frequency tables. What else is 0 to 100? Oh, here we go, 75. So there's another one. That's it. So our frequency here is 2. Not 11, these are just little marks I made. So 2 for 0 to 100. So I can even go ahead and mark that here at 2. All right, so let's do a new color for 100, please. 100 to 200. Okay, so I'm just marking the 100 to 200 interval right down here. So anything between 100 and 200. Oh wait, this is bigger than 200. That's bigger than 200. Bigger, bigger, big. Okay, so it looks like we have 0 here. So we're just going to leave this bar here at 0. All right, new color. And now we want to do this last interval from 200 to 300. So let's see, 200 to 300. So it's anything that's bigger than 200 but smaller than 300. And I think all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like there's 6 here. So we're going to move this bar up to the number 6. And we can kind of double check everything, but I think I did okay. Check. Yes. Awesome. So just made a histogram based on this data. I made a little frequency chart just over to the side, and everything is great. Okay, here we go. Next one. Okay, same type of question. Using the data, create a histogram. Okay, so this is how many wild unicorns, okay, live in each of the 6 enchanted forests on mystical islands. So somebody was getting creative when they wrote these problems. So how many between 0 and 5? So let's make a little frequency table. It's good practice, even though it's not always necessary. How many between 0 and 5? So this is the first right here. So 0 and 5. Okay, so the 3. So that's 1. And that's it. So just the 1. So I'm going to move the 0 to 5 bar up to 1. All right, let's go do the 5 to 10. So between 5 and 10. Now it's really not 5 because that 5 is covered here. So this really must be a 6 to 10. Or between bigger than 5 and less than 10. All right, so that's going to be 1 and 2, it looks like. So 2. And so we're going to move this one up to 2. All right. And the next one is between 10 and 15. So bigger than 10, all the way up to 15. So that's 1 and 2 again. So we'll move this bar up to the 2. And then in purple, pink there, between 15 and 20. I think it's just our last. Oh, I missed one. All right, so 15 to 20, that's just the 18, 1. And then look right here, I missed this 14, didn't I? Oh wait, no, I didn't miss 14. I got it with the green. Okay, thought I missed it, but I didn't. Let's count everything to make sure I got all the numbers in though, because I confused myself. So there's 1 here, 2, 2, 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we've got them all. Let's check it. Yes, awesome. All right. So these all look pretty much the same. So I don't think I need to do any more for you. If you have any questions, make sure you message me. Take a screenshot if you can and send it to me. You can email it to me if you have a question, or hit me up on Verge or on Google Hangouts. See you soon.